Now let's move on to the Logitech G Pro wireless gaming mouse. A high-performance mouse meant for gamers, comes in ambidextrous design that practically feels very weightless. Comes with an extremely precise sensor, so for gaming that is the big deal. Comes with an illuminated logo, RGB lighting. You last about 60 hours on a single charge. Great clickable buttons with a firm scroll wheel. So this is quite the gaming mouse, and it's priced at about 11,000 rupees.
A gaming mouse is very different in every way from a normal mouse found in most places. They are focused on precise tracking, weightless design, responsive and crisp buttons with the response latency next to nothing. And today, based on this, we are reviewing the Logitech G Pro Wireless, a mouse designed for professional esports gamers and casual competitive gamers. We find out what it gets right, what it gets wrong, and if it is worth your hard-earned money. Starting with one of the most important aspects of any gaming mouse, its design. Logitech has done well with the G Pro. The design is ambidextrous, meaning it can be used by all users regardless of which hand of theirs is the dominant one. And despite the ambidextrous design, the mouse is extremely comfortable to use. It is shaped well enough to fit inside most hands and is comfortable to use for long hours. And with a weight of just 80 grams, the mouse feels weightless during all the intense gaming sessions. There is an illuminated logo in the middle with RGB lighting that can be controlled by Logitech's G Hub app. Right above the logo are 3 LED lights that indicate the level of battery left. The two main left and right buttons are built well too. They are clicky and crisp. The scroll wheel in the middle is smooth but firm. The mouse also comes with 4 removable buttons, 2 on each side, which can be configured to whatever the user wants. The cable that connects with the mouse for charging also allows for the user to use the mouse at the same time. The cable is flexible and lightweight. The end of the cable that goes into the micro USB port of the mouse comes with support on each side to make sure that the port or the cable is not damaged during intense gaming sessions. And yes, it is a micro USB port in a world that has very much moved on to USB-C ports. But you would not need the cable all that much. The claimed battery life of this mouse is 48 hours with RGB lights switched on and 60 hours with RGB lights switched off, which are met. And even when the user uses the mouse wirelessly with the dongle, the response time is limited to 1 millisecond, which is practically next to nothing. The wireless dongle can be placed inside the slot located at the bottom of the mouse, so traveling with the mouse would not mean losing the dongle. Now, another extremely important aspect for a gaming mouse is the sensor underneath it. Logitech shines through here as well. The 25K sensor hits up to 25,600 dpi, which simply means that the tracking is extremely smooth and precise. The sensitivity of the mouse can be altered too. So, in case the user wants to use the G Pro for work instead of gaming, they can alter the sensitivity to something more usable for normal tasks. The Logitech G Pro Wireless has been impressive in all aspects when it comes to a gaming mouse. It gets the design right, the buttons right, and the sensors right. After all, it is built for esports professionals and competitive gamers. And for the price of 10,995, there is no doubt that it is expensive. But it is certainly worth it with all the things it gets right and for the premium sensor it has.